Right now, I think everyone knows that Ukraine has become this sort of lab experiment or testing ground when it comes to AI and also some of the latest weapons in like robotics and stuff like that. Like both in the offensive and defensive side, a lot of people are coming to Ukraine to test their weapons, which I think is a bad thing for the locals because now for them they can't be able to live as normal. But now Ukraine has come up with a new Interceptor drone that can be able to do interception and destroy Shahed drones on its own, like autonomously. It can go hand down some of these Shahed drones on its own and destroy them on its own with very minimal human input. So before this, each interceptor drone, it had to be controlled by a human where you have to remote control it. Then you go and you destroy the Shahed with it. But now with this, it can be able to do this on its own and go and destroy the drone. And I think this is paving now future of how it's gonna be when it comes to war and stuff like that, where these robots will be able to fight on their own, or these AI machines will be able to be doing things just on their own, and they go on their own, they destroy the targets, they come back, like, or maybe they die in the process, like the Shahed drone. Now imagine if a Shahed drone also had such capabilities. It could just come and chill and wait. Once you go outside, once the enemy start driving their vehicle outside, you're moving from point A to point B, then it launches on you and it destroys you. So this is very scary, but again, it is the future that we are heading to. And of course, like Thanos said, it is inevitable and it is here and it is coming, and this is just an introduction of it. So Ukraine did testing of this and they said that it was successful, and the testing was done in the city of Kharkiv Oblast, which is located like 40 kilometers to the border with Russia. So this city has been facing a lot of attacks, drone attacks, that is from the Russian side.